good morning everyone. Once again, this is Marlene and welcome to my vlog. And maraming nagre-request sa akin na mga virtual client natin na OFW na gusto nilang makita tong super famous natin na Hana unit sa Minami Residences. So tara, let's go. Samahan niyo ako. Alam niyo ba na ang dami-daming unit na nating property na naipakita sa inyo. Pero, itong Hana unit natin, ang super proud akong isell. You know why? Bukod sa 80 square meter lot area niya and a 50 square meter floor area, sobrang affordable lang na itong Hana unit natin. And, sobrang space pure siya kasi you can include your garden area here, your carport, and may access siya sa kitchen mo and service area. You can even put your pocket garden here. Maglalaro yung mga kids mo dito. Kung pet friendly ka, pwede silang magtakbuhan dito. And mostly, ang daming access road dito kay Minami Residences. You know why? Nasa center ka ng Cavite. You can enjoy this living area na may access doon sa garden area mo or carport mo. Here naman, you can put your dining area and enjoy with your family. Here yung access mo naman, papunta doon sa garden area mo and your carport. And here's naman your kitchen. It's too big space pa. You can also have your toilet and bath here sa baba. And yung mga materyales na ginamit dito, 100% quality. High ceiling na rin siya. Very safe sa mga kids yung ating stairs. And here you have your second toilet and bath. And this is second bedroom para sa mga kids. You can expand pa because there's a space pa dito sa service area mo. And then another room para sa kids mo. And you can do this para walk-in closet mo na rin. And you can notice, maaliwalas yung bahay with this glass window, maaliwalas. And di lang yon, kasi if you're going to think about the value ng property na to, 100% hindi ka malulugi rito kasi because of this establishment na nakasurround sa area ng Minami Residences, sobrang value na yung bahay mo kasi after a year, tataas na siya talaga. And marami siyang access road, nearest mall, schools, and lot of establishments. So, ang daming benefit ng bahay na ito. So, if you want this property, you can message me directly. Once again, this is Marlene. If you have a lot of questions, message lang po kayo sa akin. And kung meron pa kayong gustong i-feature na iba-vlog natin, comment down below. Bye! Be happy every day. God bless!